Hey guys, Austin here, MNML Aesthetics. We've got an exciting announcement, new client in Highland Village. Alert, they are opening next week. Check them out on Instagram, Revive at
PCMS.
on Instagram. Check them out. So you guys now have in your membership a couple of really unique services.
Right, yes.
Okay, so tell me about what we had installed and trained on today.
We got the Evolve machine, the hydrofacial. The hydrofacial is just to cleanse the face, extract any blackheads like they did on me earlier.
Was the treatment pretty enjoyable for you?
Oh yeah, it was a lot of fun and pretty interesting too.
Were your expectations met, exceeded?
Oh, exceeded, definitely.
And you would do it again?
I would do it 1,000 times.
Have you seen your skin since the treatment?
I actually haven't. That's kind of gonna be a surprise for myself. But
how does it feel?
It feels great.
Why are you excited about offering muscle toning and fat reduction to this community?
A lot of us are lazy. Sometimes we don't like to go to the gym, don't like to exercise, and we just want to do it the easy way out. And I feel like this is a great opportunity to do it the easy way. Get some abs, lose some fat, build some muscle.
That's great. That's fantastic, right?
Yeah.
And like, there's not a lot of places here in this area where you can go get your facial done and get your workout, 20,000 sit-ups, 20,000 squats in a half hour.
And
yes.
primary care, family medicine.
Yeah, so talk to me about that philosophy.
We offer blood work, checkups, keeping you up on your shots,
Your
tetanus,
physicals, your
yeah.
sick visits, office visits, consultations, IV therapy.
So all under one roof, guys. Come in for your primary care when you're not feeling well, when you've got a hangover. Add some extra oomph to the six-pack this summer. Definitely check out these guys at Revive. They've got all your needs covered under one roof. Again, check them out on IG. What's the handle?
Revive PCMS.
Boom.